What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm not gonna show any kind of tutorial because today I'm gonna share something random. Okay. There is a kind of platform where you can enhance your coding experience that is powered by Google, which is the Kickstart. All right. I'm 2020 former champion. I was participant in Kickstart, and you can try this platform. It's very good. Algorithms are very great. Yeah, you need to enhance your programming skills because might be very much tough because there are many rounds like round G, round F, round E, round D, and round C. Suppose round I guess round G is going on. Yeah, after that round H will be starting after 3 days, 12 hours, 10 minutes, and 40 seconds. Okay, so like these are the players which have solved these problems like dogs and cats problem. Yeah, so this is the problem I was just doing for. So these are the problems you might see and practice coding and solve the algorithms. It might enhance your problem. Okay, there are analysis too. Go it over here and see some examples so you can understand better and solve it. Okay, so this is the platform where you can go, and these are the things like if you want to start these things, so you might follow that thing. You might have heard about Tim William Lane in YouTube. Okay, he's also a great programmer, a great competitive programmer in Kickstart. So like these are the things you should follow to enhance your programming skills. And this type of videos you will be seeing in my channel very much so. So this is only the thing I was just saying for today. Like there are many problems. Like after that, when the round H will be coming, it will be coming in 3 days, 12 hours, 9 minutes, 24 seconds. You might be ready for that. I will be also ready for that. Okay, so this is only the platform, the nice platform as far as I see. Okay, like there are many platforms like let's say Hackathon, this one, right? Yeah. So like this is also a great platform. You can go and challenge programmers, or you can um, enhance your programming skills by doing. Yes, so this is the platform you can see over here, and you can select whatever you want, like competitive programming, hiring challenges or jobs, something like that. You can go and start challenge on like Microsoft is presenting the BILG and a hackathon in this hackathon, like it's the lifetime. And when you go to the upcoming, it might show you the futuristic thing. Okay, so like yeah, this is the upcoming challenge, like HCL Hack IIT 2021. So like these are the things you might go and check it out in internet through the internet. Yeah, and obviously yeah. So as far as I was saying that I am 2020 former Google Kickstart champion. Okay. Okay, I guess the image is not opening yet. So this is the thing. You might go and like my Twitter as, I mean, if you want, and follow me in Twitter. Link in the description down below, and obviously join my online Discord server where I talk with many programmers, discuss with many programmers. You might join it there and talk with you. So this was the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like that button and smash the subscribe button to upcoming videos. Okay, see you later.